Although demonstrations are happening in only 3 places, it has happened in Nairobi, Kisumu, Migori only, and we know the reasons as to why. Those are RAILA strongholds. The rest of the country has been very peaceful. But what we are saddened, and I think we have failed to note, and us who believe in rule of law, is that Raila Odinga and other organizers must be arrested immediately, because he continues to create chaos, anarchy, lawlessness, destruction of property, loss of lives, which is very unfortunate. So what really I want to call upon the police and interior minister and other agencies to move with speed and arrest Raila Odinga and other organizers, because they have broken the law. They are abusing the human rights. They are abusing the democracy that we enjoy in this country. I think let us arrest him. What is the worst that can happen? I don't think there will be anything the worst that can happen in the country. Kenyans will be happy. Kenyans will be free to move and do their daily chores across the country, do their businesses, go to their workplaces. We will be able to revive the economy. The economy will not be revived through demonstrations. The cost of living will not be brought down through demonstrations. The only address of fixing the nation is by ensuring that we go to farms, we plant maize and harvest, which is almost ready, and we thank the government for the subsidized fertilizer. So I think it is the right time that the Minister of Interior and the police bite the bullet, arrest Raila Odinga. Is not above the law. Why are we treating him as a demigod? Yet he is destroying the lives of many Kenyans, the economy of the country, and therefore and I want to dare the police and the interior to arrest him. If they arrest him, I will give them a very serious bull as a way of appreciating by following the rule of law and ensuring that all of us, when we make mistakes, we are not above the law. Raila Odinga and his organizers and his cronies are not above the law. And I can assure the country, the moment he will be arrested, we will end this nonsense of bringing lawlessness, abuse of rule of law, and abuse of the constitution. So from where I sit and where I stand, I think it has reached the government has reached a position that we must ensure. And in future, I think the police also must not be issuing the licenses arbitrarily. We are looking at the possibility of amendment of a Public Order Act, to amend the Public Order Act to create what we call demonstration corners. Like in Nairobi, we can designate bombers of Kenya. They go and demonstrate the whole day from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. We can give them designated demonstration corners so that we don't disrupt the lives of Kenyans, the property, and other people. And I want to call upon government finally. The property and many things that we have seen being destroyed across the country, including injuries and looting of property, burning of gas along Thika Road, among other areas in the country, the individual organizers must take personal culpability, responsibility.